ओ ये स्वेल में से निकलने में मज़ा आएगा अभी। अच्छा आप पानी लेके आए हो? How was that? We have to go back now, which is the more difficult thing. अभी तो हवा खाते खाते आ गए हम लोग. I know. You fell off? Yeah. Fully.
Completely soaking up पानी में. Thankfully shallow था.
आपका नाम क्या है जर्नी? रिजवान. ओके. YouTube पे हो क्या? YouTube पे हो? Red Skulls Soul. Alright guys, check out Rizwan on his Instagram, Red Skulls Soul. And he's got an Instagram also. And there is a train which is coming now, which is delivering something. And that's Mona, she fell down off a boat. And that's me.
Simple in the movies, on the big screen, and all those fancy videos, adventure videos that we see on TV and magazines. But trying the real deal is a different ball game altogether. So it has a lot of arm strength.
Ah, see?
It has a lot of arm strength, and it's like you use your intuition to navigate inside water, and using that intuition takes a bit of time. Good arm strength. My hands are still shivering right now because of the consistently holding the paddle and constantly navigating your way through the water. It's amazing. It's taxing at the same time. So don't underestimate kayaking.
And where did you do the kayaking this time? Yes. Yeah. Sahasi.
Intelligent and an efficient guy called Rizwan, who's right out there.
Right there. He is in love with the sea. Anyways, he's a sea loving guy. He's a sea loving guy, and he's gone inside the water to do something over there. And well, honestly, want to take my bite? Hi guys. So kayaking was nice. From a perspective, it is all about your hand strength, of course, but it's also your shoulders, your chest. So one thing that I think I did was I paid attention to the point where the paddle was entering the water. Instead of looking ahead and enjoying the scenery, I rather pay attention to the paddle because that helps a lot. I understand that you want to have a lot of fun, but that part is very, very important. And that's it. I mean, we paddled a little bit. Sun, the sea, the sand, the surf. This is Goa. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Devoshri and Manoj logging off. Bye.